Looking to capture stunning aerial footage or elevate your drone game in 2025? DJI continues to dominate the drone market with cutting-edge technology, superior camera systems, and unmatched flight performance. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, content creator, hobbyist, or beginner, DJI offers a drone tailored to your needs. In this guide, we break down the top 5 best DJI drones of 2025, showcasing the latest innovations in design, features, and capabilities. From the ultra-portable mini-series to the powerhouse Mavic 3 Pro, these drones represent the pinnacle of aerial excellence. Let's explore which DJI drone is right for you. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is the ultimate grab-and-go drone for casual users, vloggers, and adventure seekers alike. Weighing just 135 grams, it's lighter than your phone and doesn't require FAA registration or remote ID, making it perfect for spontaneous flights wherever life takes you. Slip it into your pocket or backpack and you're ready for takeoff. Designed with ease in mind, the Neo features palm, takeoff, and landing, requiring no controller. Whether you're at a backyard BBQ or on a hiking trail, simply launch it from your hand. Capture cinematic moments with subject tracking and 8 quick shots modes that make pro-level footage effortless. Fly it how you want, via voice commands, smartphone, or an optional remote controller, and enjoy stable, high-quality 4K UHD video, even in breezy conditions, thanks to DJI's signature stabilization and level 4 wind resistance. Full coverage propeller guards make it beginner-friendly and safe for indoor use or close-range flights. For just $199, the standard DJI Neo kit includes everything you need to start flying. Just be sure to download the DJI Fly app from DJI's official site, as it's no longer available on Google Play. Fly smart, fly free with the DJI Neo. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is a lightweight, regulation-friendly drone packed with professional features designed for creators on the go. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration or remote ID in the US, making it the perfect travel companion for spontaneous adventures and creative shoots. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Flip captures crisp, detailed 4K/60 FPS HDR video that brings every sunrise, landscape, or moment to life with vivid clarity. Whether you're recording scenic views or family events, its subject tracking ensures your focus stays locked, even when you're on the move. The lightweight carbon fiber, full coverage propeller guards offer an extra layer of safety and confidence, making it ideal for beginners and indoor flights. With up to 31 minutes of flight time, you can explore more and film longer without needing frequent battery swaps. This drone acts like your personal director, delivering cinematic angles and smooth, stabilized footage every time. The DJI Flip bundle includes the drone, DJI RCN, 3 remote controller, an intelligent flight battery, and essential accessories to get started right out of the box. Download the DJI Fly app from DJI's official website for the best experience, as it's no longer on Google Play. Priced at $439, it's ready for takeoff. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro redefines aerial cinematography with cutting-edge features in a compact, regulation-friendly form. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids the need for FAA registration, making it the perfect drone for spontaneous travel and creative exploration. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, remote ID activates for commercial use, ensuring compliance without compromise. Capture stunning vertical footage in 4K/60 FPS HDR, ideal for golden hour shots, cityscapes, and night scenes, without any need for editing. The drone's omnidirectional obstacle sensing system gives you confidence to fly safely, detecting threats from all directions for greater peace of mind, especially for beginners. Experience extended, uninterrupted flight with an enhanced battery, allowing you to shoot longer without battery anxiety. Its 20-kilometer FHD video transmission delivers ultra-clear, real-time aerial views, ensuring you stay visually connected even at long distances. With ActiveShot's 360-degree intelligent tracking, the Mavic 4 Pro puts professional cinematic movement in your hands, allowing you to effortlessly execute complex tracking shots. Whether you're capturing dynamic action or serene landscapes, this drone offers a seamless, immersive flying experience. At $2,799, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is an elite tool for serious creators and tech enthusiasts alike. DJI Avatar 2. The DJI Avatar 2 brings a whole new level of excitement to drone flying, delivering an adrenaline-charged first-person view FPV experience. Slip on a pair of DJI goggles and you're instantly transported into the cockpit, flying with breathtaking freedom and immersive clarity. Whether you're chasing sunsets or racing through tight spaces, the Avatar 2 captures it all in super-wide 4K with a 155-degree field of view and stunning 4K/60 FPS or 4K/100 FPS slow-motion footage. Powered by a 1.3-inch image sensor. With intuitive motion control, even beginners can fly confidently. Natural hand gestures replace complex joysticks, letting you maneuver like a pro without years of training. Easy acro mode unlocks dynamic flips, rolls and drifts at the push of a button, no flight school needed. The built-in propeller guards enhance durability so you can fly freely, even in challenging environments. Compact and travel-ready, the Avatar 2 is perfect for POV creators. Paired with the Lightcut app, you get access to creative templates that simplify editing and sharing your cinematic moments. Starting at $999, the DJI Avatar 2 is your go-to FPV drone for thrill, performance, and creative storytelling. DJI AIR-3s. The DJI Air 3S is a powerful travel-friendly drone designed to capture stunning visuals with ease and precision. Featuring a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, its primary camera excels in low-light environments, making it perfect for capturing vibrant sunsets, dramatic nightscapes, and golden hour landscapes with stunning clarity. Shoot cinematic 4K/60 FPS HDR video with up to 14 stops of dynamic range, revealing intricate cloud textures and subtle light transitions. The panorama mode offers creative flexibility with wide angle and medium tele options, enabling seamless, high-resolution landscapes with minimal distortion. Safety and performance are at the heart of the Air 3S. With forward-facing LiDAR and advanced sensors, it provides omnidirectional obstacle sensing, allowing for secure flying even in low-light conditions or around buildings. The next-generation Smart Return to Home (RTH) feature intelligently calculates the best route back, even in low GPS environments, keeping your drone safe and responsive. Enjoy up to 45 minutes of flight time and 20 kilometers of full HD video transmission, giving you the range and time to explore and capture the perfect shot. Priced at $1,099, the Air 3S is ideal for creators who demand quality, safety, and extended creative freedom.